Welcome to Wuh Creator. In today's video, we're going to learn how to open Incognito Mode in Google Chrome and understand why people use it. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots right next to your profile icon. Click on those dots. From the drop-down list, select the third option, labeled New Incognito Window. And that's it. A new window will open. This is Incognito Mode. If you prefer using shortcuts, here's a quicker way. Simply press Ctrl Shift N on your keyboard. Instantly, Chrome will open in Incognito Mode. Now you might be wondering, why do people use Incognito Mode? Well, Incognito Mode lets you browse privately, meaning your browsing history, cookies, and site data won't be saved after you close the window. It's perfect for things like signing into multiple accounts, researching privately, or using a shared computer. And that's how you can open and use Incognito Mode in Chrome quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one. This is Wuh Creator, signing off.